Hello friends, I am Vijay, and today we will talk about sports apparel in Khelo India Games. Sports apparel is a functional area that distributes sports kits at Khelo India Games to players, support staff, officials, volunteers, and organizing committee. Sports apparel functional area plays four main roles during the games. 1. Stock monitoring process. 2. Quality inspection of the sports-specific kits. 3. Distribution of sports kits to contingents. 4. Maintaining and documenting the data of distribution. Let's talk about stock monitoring process. This process involves in monitoring the inflow of sports kits to the sports kits distribution center during the games. A committee is formed to conduct the monitoring process. Stock entry of the sports kits should be maintained, and the information regarding the inflow of the sports kits need to noted. Important points to be remember. 1. Date of delivery should be specific to 72 hours prior to the commencement of the games. 2. Printing of the sports-specific kits to be checked and verified. 3. Verification of quantity of sports kits received with the work order issued. 4. Stock entry of sports kits. Quality inspection of the sports-specific kits also plays an important role. Sports-specific kits after delivery needs to be tested for its quality. For this reason, a committee is formed, and inspection is done and feedback is taken from the competition manager of each sport. Next important part in this process is distribution of sports kits. This is the most important process of this functional area. The sports kits are to be distributed to contingents and staff involved in the games. This is generally done based on the game's schedule. This process involves the following steps. 1. The athlete's details and credentials would be reviewed and confirmed by the verification team. 2. Following successful verification, accreditation will be granted to the athlete. 3. Scheduling the timing for distribution of sports kits, according to the games in states, universities. 4. Distribution of sports kits to respective contingent managers after verification of the authenticity. 5. Recording the information of distribution of sports kits. Stock entry of the distributed quantities of sports kits. Documenting the detail of distribution. The stock entry of the distributed quantities have to be maintained with proper sign-off from the stock monitoring committee. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.